It really is light here though.
Yeah.
Way lighter than somewhere else. It's really nice again, as every single day. I think since I've come here, I've been at the beach every single day. And that is so awesome to think about. I'm studying here. I wake up and everything is so nice. Life is so nice right now. Today is Saturday, so we started our day very slowly. We didn't do a lot at all. But you need that too, before everything gets crazy at uni or college or whatever I'm gonna call it from now on. Yeah, we have to stay calm and just relax on the beach when we can. But I do have to practice because Monday is gonna be hard. But I'm looking forward to it as well. And later on we're gonna go shopping and practice at the college probably, yeah. Also, there are like things that always kind of annoy me. There are always things that pull you down in life sometimes. But then you have to just get yourself up, really think about that you want to be happy today. That I won't let something silly bring me down if, look where I am, at the beach, you know? Of course, that helps to be happy. You also have to work at being happy. It's not always that easy. You have to stay positive and think, no, I want to be happy. Even if my circumstances are really bad, you have to stay strong and just for yourself. I want to be happy today. I want to enjoy my life. I won't let other people just bring you down. So yeah, that's my life lesson for today. Right. Collaborative performance project. I don't know, do I have to be in my dance wear or not?